Assalamualaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. And today I am going to take an English class for the student of Junior 1 class student. Our today's topic is word meaning English to English. Look at the board, student. Our topic word meaning English to English, and our lecture number is 15 and homework number is 13. Again I am repeating, our topic is word meaning English to English, lecture number 15 and homework number 13. Let's start our topics. Word meaning English to English. Number 1, happy. Happy means cheerful. CHEERFUL, cheerful. Again I say cheerful. CHEERFUL, cheerful. Number 2, trouble. Trouble means problem. Spelling of problem PROBLEM, problem. Again I say problem. PROBLEM, problem. Number 3, wear means put on. Spelling of put on PUT, put, O and on. Again I say PUT, put, O and on. Number 4, rule. RULE, rule means law. LAW, law. Again I say law, spelling LAW, law. Number 5, van. Van means cart. CART, cart. Again I say CART, cart. Number 6, lot. LOT, lot. Lot means many. Many spelling MANY, many. Again I say MANY, many. Number 7, show. Show means to display. Spelling of to display TO, display. DIS, dis, PLAY, play. To display. Again I say to display. TO, DIS, dis, PLAY, play. Number 8, LID, lead. Lead means a cover. ACOVER, cover. Again I say a cover. ACOVER, cover. Number 9, jar. ZAR, jar means container. CONTAINER, container. Again I say jar means container. Spelling of container CONTAINER, container. Number 10, bring. BRING, bring. Bring means to fetch. To fetch, spelling TO, FETCH, to fetch. Okay student, this is our today's topic, and your homework is given word meaning 6 to 10. Look at the board, your homework giving word meaning 6 to 10. This 6 to 10 your homework. Lot, show, lead, jar, bring. This 6 to 10 will your homework. So student, I hope all you have understood today's topic, and keep practicing at home. Will do your homework and will submit your homework on Sunday. Say again, inshallah.